We're going to take a look at the shower and the bathroom. So you're going to twist this to the left to unlock the door. You're going to pull. And once the door is open, you can see you have your shower and your toilet. We'll start with the toilet first. So on the left side of the toilet, there's a green or red indicator. You want to make sure it's green, which means your black tank is hooked up properly. It's a cassette toilet, so the tank is on the outside and is removable. So before you go out and you're going to use the toilet, we always do it the first time, but if you do dump this, this will be the process to set it back up to use it again. You're going to take this liquid and you're going to add about 2 ounces. You're going to add about 1 ounce to 2 ounces or a little more of water to the black tank, and I will show you how to add the water. So as you can see, you have your toilet. To add the water, you're going to hit this button, and then you're going to use this gray lever. You're going to slide it back and then forth, and that dumps the toilet into the tank. So the toilet also swivels, so you can sit this way or that way. This is your toilet paper roll. And then this is your shower. So you have hot and you have cold. You also have a shower curtain that snaps in on these points. And then this is the fan. So to open the fan, you push up and then you hit the red button to turn it on. You'll turn it off, and then once you're done, you'll pull it back down. And then to close it back up, you pull the door shut. Once it snaps in, then you're going to be able to lock it. Don't force anything. Everything closes very easily.